Welcome back to my channel Indian Spotlight. In this video, I will share an online screening test on English grammar and literature. If you like the video, then share it among the aspirants so that they may get acquaintance with the central teaching vacancies and the types of subjective questions they used to ask. If you are a first visitor to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell button so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. So keep watching the video till the end. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the words specified in the bracket. We have to blow up 50 balloons. Blow up. Here the word blow up is just a similarity between burst. Next question. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the word specified in the bracket. We called around, but we are not able to find the car parted that needed. Called around. Called around means to phone many different people. Third question. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning of the word given in bracket. Ambiguity is the meaning may prove to be disastrous. Here ambiguity means confusing, so the opposite one will be clarity. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning of the word given in bracket. The late night taxis are elusive and far from cheap. You have to write the opposite meaning of elusive. First, let us understand what is the meaning of the word elusive. It means difficult to find or understand. So the correct answer will be baffling. A student likes a book after reading it and recommends it further. He or she claims it to be very interesting. You listen to him or her, try to figure out whether the student's opinion or observation is really sincere. This type of listening can be described as empathetic. The concept of language acquisition device proposed by Ladd, that is called, it is proposed by Noam Chomsky. The following sentences have been divided into 4 parts. Identify the erroneous part in the sentence by choosing the correct option. When he parted with his sister, there were tears in his eyes. When he parted with his sister, there were tears in his eyes. I think there is no error is found, so last option, no errors found. The following sentences have been divided into 4 parts. Again, you have to find out the mistake in this sentence. His house is very different and very superior to our houses. Here the answer will be the third one, means here the problem is in the phrase very superior to, because you are using 2 times very. So the correct sentence would be his house is very different and superior to your house. You have to match the person or the writer with his place. Here Thomas Hardy, so it is the correct answer is Wessex. Which of the following poems is not written by British romantic poet? Here the answer is Ode on Solitude. Rest of the ode are already written by British Romantic poets like Shelley and William Wordsworth. Then, T.S. Eliot won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. Then, the popular writer Russian origin was a professor of biochemistry. His fame rested on his ability to write speculative fiction dealing with imaginative and futuristic concepts. Here, identify the author. I have a little bit confusion, but still I did Anton Chekhov. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1913 for his collection of the poem and songs named Songs Offering. Who wrote the preface or introduction to this collection? The introduction to this collection was written by W.B. Yeats. The poems written by Edward Lee are categorized under the literary genre of the nonsense poem. Which of the following is an autobiographical work of a famous Indian writer of English literature? Here I did Babur Nama. Life is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury. It is a famous line said by Shakespeare, and that is an example of figure of speech called metaphor. Here life is compared to a tale. Tale means story. To err is human, to forgive divine. Here we find that two opposite ideas are placed side by side, so that is an example of antithesis, where two opposite ideas are placed in a similar same sentence. List the name of persons showing duties to be performed by each in turn. That is an example of one word substitution. So here the answer would be roster. Select the option that replaces the given sentence or its part correctly. Neither she loved nor I did. So here the correct answer is neither she loved nor did I. Then select the option that replaces the given sentence or its parts correctly. 700 rupees are a long sum. That is an example of subject-verb agreement type of question. So, B option, 700 rupees is a big sum. Select the correct alternative where the punctuation marks have been used correctly. So, here the answer number B, well, comma, I shall look into the matter. Here it is the correct sentence punctually. Then select the correct alternative where the punctuation marks have been used correctly. Here we can see that what a remarkable victory. Here exclamation sign is there, means expressing surprise. So the fourth one is the answer. Which one is not a form of a novel? We know there are various types of novel: epistolary, regional, psychological. Only except the third one, ekphrastic, is the answer. It is not a form of a novel. A ballad is a form of poetry, just like sonnet. A speech in which an actor reveals his innermost thoughts is called soliloquy. Walt Whitman is often considered to be national poet of America, as we are finest knowingly that Walt Whitman is a poet who writes about the animals and the transformation of human beings. So he is an American poet. The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde is a short story. Who is the author of the story The Hungry Stone? Here, the author of The Hungry Stone is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the cause for Ori? The interrogative sentence can be converted into assertive sentence. You have to convert this interrogative sentence into an assertive form. So the third option, there is no cause for Ori, is the answer. Unless you work hard, you can't pass. This sentence can be replaced by you can't pass without working hard. I hope this video is very helpful for those aspirants who are looking for the teaching jobs.